Hello, viewers. Welcome back to another English story. I hope you all are doing fine, and I'm also well. Today, I want with you. I want to share with you some topics, and I write down these topics because you know that I also shared with you that I am learning a new language. Maybe for this, I forget something, that when I remember something or my mind think something very important, then I think I will next time when I will record in video, then I will discuss about these things, but then I forget, completely forget this. So for this, now I decided that to from there today I will take note down this all which I remind, and then instantly I will write down these topics. So for this, first of all, today I didn't go my private, and why I didn't go my private, then today I discuss this. This is my first topics. In my private, sir teach us a way, and I don't like this teaching quality or this teaching way, because he teach us by memorizing, though he teach us to by understanding and write, but many of student like me don't understand this. They just memorize, or they even sometimes they don't understand, and by going back home they memorize those topics, and exam hall they write by memorizing something. And not sometimes he teaches a wrong way, but sometimes he teaches us right way. In our grammar topics, our grammar rules, he teaches very clearly and very right way. I love this practice, but I don't love today's day. He is teaching us graph and chart, how we need to write those graph and chart, but his teaching way is not good, is not like me, to me. So for this, today he also teaches us this pie chart. Today he maybe teaches us pie chart. So I missed today's class with my own wish. I don't go there, because after creating this video, after finished or after completing my video, then I will go home and I to my own way, I will revise, I will practice, I will practice this story or this graph and pie chart. This is maybe uh, best way for me. So for this I missed today's private. And the next topics, I write down my dream. Yes, about my dream. I think what I think my dream is what actually my mind want to, or my mind clearly silently think. I noticed that sometimes my mind silently, when I sit down, silently, calm place, no distraction, no sound, no traffic, then he started thinking what he will actually want. Then he think that in future he want that we make like this video, and also he traveled some everyday new any new place, and like this natural and also attractive new place. And this is his profession, he like very much this. Every day he goes new place, and some forest, rivers, occasion, and rocks, this is. And he likes this. And so for this, I think to make real this thing first of all, and he also makes video and upload this video in channel, and also gain money, earn money. So for this, first of all, you need a YouTube channel, Facebook account. This is, and for this I started this my journey. I create an YouTube channel, and I started my journey because the people in future you want to be, you need to practice this thing what you already have from today. Don't just, if you wait for a perfect moment, or for a perfect camera, perfect YouTube channel, perfect time, perfect place, perfect money, then you don't start your journey. So you have to be start your journey with who you already have. With maybe first times, or first 1 or 2 months, 3 months, 4 months, you cannot spend good times, or you cannot go good place, beautiful place, but or you cannot get reach subscribe or reach followers on your YouTube or Facebook channels. But this is normal, because if you think that first times I will go a very important or go a very beautiful place, and then I will make some video and upload this, and from this I will earn money, this is no wrong. Because if you have money, then you will go a beautiful place, but by going this place you cannot speak with confidently and loudly, or you cannot describe this place like and for this you have to practice. This is the main thing. So you have to be starts like me, and I also start my journey with, I already have my phone already, have this phone, and I started with my own capabilities a YouTube channel. I also thinking, and then after 10 days I will start this journey on my Facebook, and both journey I will continue with my own capacity. So, and I trust myself that one day I will be real, I will be make my dream real. This is my, I trust myself. You have to be trust yourself, because first of all you cannot start your you cannot trust yourself, then why another people or another person trust yourself. So I also trust myself, and so to make my dream I am working every day, because, and I also I also discussed in another topics, that's your all day, the journey you are started, your all day don't get very smoothly, very don't get the same way. You have to be faced many problems, many difficult, dangerous problems. You have to face this, you have to overcome this, because your journey is not just one chapter, just not your joy or your grateful chapter. It have both great joy and sadness. So you have to be overcome this sadness to find to find your dream, your real dream, like this joy chapter. So the third topics, what I will want. And the first previous topics I described that why my brain want, or why my mind want. And now I discussed about my real life, what actually want, or what my family wanted to see myself in the future, what place. This is the matter where my place, where will be create my place, or where my parents wants to see me. And for this, and I want to teach my students by using online. Okay, because I saw that many students are getting their topics are teaching, are learning from using YouTube channel or something online, and they taking on YouTube class, live class, in record class, this. So for this I also want to teach our students by using online channel. For this and for this I know that I have to be I have to be work hard, and I also have to be learn something new every day. For this I am working, because and I also making practicing English. So I will be a teacher in English. And for this I know that I have to be work hard, and I have to be learn something every day, something new. And not only this, to teach our students in English or something our educational, then you need to introduce, or uh, you need to your familiar that how people will how people with uh, know you. So for this you have to be need a certificate. Yes, this is must, because there have a lot of teachers, they have a lot of students, so lot of teachers. So you also need a certificate, and for this you will pass your educational and HSC sectors, and then you need a good university. This is very important, because many students learn something from teachers by using their title, that he what university he will reading, he is reading. So this is very important, and for this it is not a easy way, this is very hard and difficult way to learn. So and I'm also working to gain a university or gain a good result, and this is I want to be. And because this will be my profession, will be my profession, or it's university is very important to uh, to get for higher study or for your future. So the next topics is where when confidence come from, where confidence come from. Yes, this is my last topics. Confidence, yes, confidence is very important. Confidence makes confidence, not confidence, consistency makes confidence. So confidence is very important. First of all, if you think from consistency or long term practice, then consistency confidence come from consistency, if I say. But confidence not only come from consistency, it's come from your mind, inner mind. Because if your mind is not good, if you or don't actually want uh, to do this work, then your confidence don't create, your confidence don't come. So to create a confidence, you need your great attraction, your mindset. This is very important. And first, second and third, from starting your works. So mm, confidence don't come after before starts your work, after starts your work confidence come. So for the confidence you have to be starts your work, your tasks, your journey. Because if you just wait for confidence, then it is never come. You have need a great mindset, a pure mindset to attraction from this work, and you have to be start this work. So by working some minutes or I mean 15 or 30 minutes, you then you feel a great confidence, a great motivation. So the three sectors or three tasks. First of all, consistency. You have to be stay consistent. By doing by staying consistent, some days you will feel a great attraction or a great confidence. And the second is confidence come from your mindset, a a pure and purification mindset. Then third sector's confidence comes from your starting works, by beginning your works. So this is confidence come from, I think it's describing from my thinking. And if you think that if you know something very important or something very another sectors, then you can no comment this. And if you find this video fruitful, then you can share this video with your friends. And you also can comments me, because your comments, your subscribes, your likes, though I don't need, but also I am need be, because it will help me to stay connect and also staying consistency. So that's all for today, and learn something every day. Mind it that if you pay your attention every day, then every day you can learn something new every day, because something learn new every day is very important for you and for us. So have a good day, stay connect and learn every day.